So what we've got is the situation where Roxy is, well, just whining and not really wanting the collar. So what I'm going to start doing with her is to just I'm going to do a few sessions with the target stick and then go over to the collar. And we'll see how this works out. Okay, so let's take this. Good girl. That's a very clever girl. Whoops. Gently, gently, gently. Good girl. So I'll first just start with a couple touches before I expect it to do a little bit longer. Good girl. Okay, let's see if we can get one that's a little bit longer. Okay, so it wasn't longer, but it was 4 touches, which is also nice. So, okay, let me change over here to the collar. And Vixie, you want to go first? Good girl. Good girl, but you love your collar. Okay. Oh, that was easy. Eh? That was easy. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, so let's ask for some more. There it is again, giving me the down, because she doesn't know what exactly it is since she's bumped this 3 times and I'm still not clicking her, so she's giving me a down, which is not going to work. Good girl. See how long she stays down. Good girl. So I'll go back to one check because she was down. I don't want to push it. So she moved in between, but it's okay. Okay, it's better to just go for 1 click because I've changed the criteria. She didn't touch it there. That was a good one. Okay. Good girl. Alright, so it's looking a little bit better here. If I just go for single touch. She didn't touch. That one she knocked, she didn't touch it. Good girl. Good girl. Alright. Let's see if we hold it out a little bit, what we get. Again, I'm changing the criteria. Gently. I guess she's already thinking a little bit different about this collar. Okay, let's see if we can get her to I kind of want to work her a bit like a horse and see if I can get it to put her head inside the collar. Okay, so as you can see, I'm feeding her through the collar. Roxy, leave her alone. Good girl. You also need to get once now and again. Good girl. Very good girl. She actually pushed her head through there. Granted, I haven't got it closed, but that'll come. Good, very good. Really doesn't take long to change the behavior, does it? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. I'm going to bait her a little bit, yeah. Good girl. I mean, she's doing really good, and I think I'm going to leave it there. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Very nice one. That last one was her actually pushing her nose through. And, you know, I mean, it doesn't matter if I bait her a little bit to get what I wanted to do. But like I said, I think she'll think a little bit different about the collar from now on. We'll see how it works out. It's a good girl. As a good girl.